TikTok creativity program is killing the internet at the moment, and people are making thousands of dollars in their first month. TikTok is also the fastest growing social media platform. It is competing head-to-head with YouTube. This video is a goldmine of You Found It on Time. In this video, you will learn how to find niches with higher lifetime customer value and higher RPM. Do not get excited, because program is only available in countries like United States, United Kingdom, France, etc. Don't worry, the location issues can be solved by using a VPN, changing phone locations, or buying a US SIM card. But these solutions are not guaranteed to work. However, I got a solution to this problem. I don't know why I am telling you this so early. You can buy US TikTok accounts. Go to this website, select the number of accounts that you want to buy, simply add them to cart and buy, and if you use the code 5xprofits, then you will get 20% discount. Or click the first link in description. Niche selection is our first step. Don't overthink while choosing a niche. Just repurpose your hobby or what you usually see while scrolling on social media. Your niche must fall in these categories. 1. Your niche should target a broad yet specific audience. By targeting the people of the United States or other Tier 1 countries, you will face a high RPM, meaning the amount of money you will make on 1,000 views. 2. Choose a niche in which video can be produced easily, so your work can be automated using AI. You will also be able to scale your business in the future. You can generate a list of high RPM niches using ChatGPT. Head over to the chatbot and paste this prompt. Here, LTV stands for lifetime value of customer, and CLV stands for customer lifetime value. Then check the AI results. There are many niches from which you can choose. For the purpose of this video, let's choose the put a finger down niche. We can either generate the questions by ChatGPT, or what I like is to find the questions on Pinterest. Go to Pinterest and search for put a finger down questions. Select the pin that you like and download it. Now, convert this image into text by using this website. This is your script. For voiceover, I recommend using 11 Labs because the quality of the voice is so good. As I need a deep voice, I will use Atom. Choose the voice that suits your content. For the visuals, I will use YouTube. Go on YouTube and search for satisfying videos. Select a high-quality video that has at least 10 different clips. Then go to any YouTube video downloader to download the video. CapCut is the best free video editor on the PC as well as on mobile. Open CapCut, import and all your footage and voiceover. Place voiceover in the timeline first. Then add the downloaded video in the timeline. Split the video where the background clip changes. Remove all the spaces between the voiceover for consistent voiceover. Set the clips according to the script and add the captions as well. Adjust your caption by changing the effects, font, size, and animation, and your first video is ready.
Put your finger down questions. Put your finger down if you have swam in the ocean. Put your finger down if you have a pet. Put your finger down if you are scared of heights. Put your finger down if you hate horror movies. Put your finger down if you think guacamole is gross. Put your finger down if you can't name 5 planets.
Now, I will tell you how to actually go viral on TikTok. I conclude 2 points. If you follow them, you would probably go viral. Ending with CTA or call to action. Your videos must end with a call to action. On these types of videos, you can put something like, follow if you put 3 fingers down, or like if you have not put a finger down. You get the idea. Trend utilization. Leverage popular trends and challenges on TikTok. Incorporating trending sounds, hashtags, or challenges increases the likelihood of your video being discovered by a larger audience and aligns with the interests of the TikTok community.